So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about my devilish look bike, my Diablo. I never shown my bike in any video, so I thought let's make an experimental video on it. And today's major highlight of the bike is this, the Akrapovic exhaust. But I'm not just going to talk about the exhaust, I'm going to talk about all aftermarket modification I did. There are many things I changed from stock into the aftermarket mods. Also you guys must be thinking why I called my bike as Diablo. It is because every biker name has their bike as something, so I thought I should keep a name of it as well. It is my bike, and the Diablo itself tells it's a devil's bike. So yeah, and the MGK once said ki Diablo. So this is the overall look of my bike. I will make a cinematic video on it. So let's see. So let's begin with the topic. First thing we see at the front side is winglet. It is aftermarket winglet. I installed it because it gives some sharper looks on the bike and it doesn't help us in aerodynamic, but still it looks dope, so yeah. The next thing I installed on the bike is the bubble visor. You can see it's completely black. I got it black one because overall look of the bike is black. I know it's a bad choice because when I will do tucking that time, I can't see through the black visor, but I still love it because it's a black. I don't do much speeding on the bike. It's okay. That sounds ironic, but I don't ride always high speed. I stay in Mumbai after all, so most of the mods I did on the bike is because of looks only. So yeah. So next mod is handle guard. It is very useful mod and it gives sporty vibes as well. It is useful because if any accident happens, your hands won't get away because of the handle guard. Let's take an example. If you fall at the right hand side, then this handle will save your fingers. So it is very one of the worthy modification. The next mod we see is LED indicators. I installed 4 LED indicators because before there was halogen and it doesn't go with the sports bike. I don't know why company is not giving up with the halogen indicators. They gave this to the V1, V2, V3 and now V4 as well. And even after getting low reviews on halogen, I don't know what they are doing with it. So yeah, I changed it because it doesn't go with the bike. So see 2 LED indicators at the back. I installed it because it's brighter than the halogen. And also LED goes with the bike. The next modification I did is the phone holder. You guys knows of course what is use of this. So it's just to keep a phone and navigate wherever we want. And the next modification I did is this flasher. If you guys don't know what is flasher, it works as a hazard lights and sometimes to get attention on your bike too. I don't use it for attention, but I'm just saying I use when it's completely dark, so I have to use the hazard lights. There are many mods on it. There is a 14 modes I can say, and I have a black bike, so I thought it's a worthy mod. Then we have here is this rod or side guard we say. It is because when we fall any side of the bike, it will protect your machine and the whole fairing as well. I put it because... What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Yeah, it's necessary for my bike. Since the sports bike doesn't have any guard, this is very helpful. Now comes the biggest highlight of the bike, Akrapovic exhaust. I love this exhaust so much because the exhaust note is so soothing and not so loud. This is the full system Akrapovic exhaust, and of course I have followed all the norms. There's a catalytic converter here and the dB killer as well. Here you guys can see it, it doesn't harm any environment, and yes, it's aftermarket exhaust, aftermarket Akrapovic exhaust, and now I will show you how it sounds like. So this is what it sounds when the bike is on steady. I'll show you when it races. I will make a flyby video of this exhaust. It is very soothing and not like so loud like a bullet exhaust. And the overall modification on this bike cost me around 10,000 rupees with a labor charge. But all mods I did here is a completely worthy for me. You guys can text me on Instagram or comment down below what mod you like the most. And if you want to purchase, I can make it available for you. For now I started delivering in Mumbai. Soon I will expand this business as well. But for now, this is the overall bike. And I forgot to show you my helmet. This is the black helmet with a black visor. But I can't see anything at night time, so I won't recommend this helmet visor. But still I use it because it goes with the bike. And when I wear black outfit, it looks more dope. There is one video I said a day before, I will show you that.
You so fucking precious when you smile.
That look is understandable, yeah. Your guy is not that hot like me.
तेरे को पता नहीं है लेकिन तू है.
And the next modification I'm going to do is the Powertronic ECU, which will set up here because I saw one of the R15 owner reach 180 speed on the bike. But I will install it to get mid-range faster on the bike, and of course as a firmware for this set.
ना देख ऐसे आसमान को इतनी उम्मीद से, किसी परिंदे ने मुंह पर हक दिया तो सारी हसरतों के लग जाएंगे.
So yeah, we have to be careful on that and not so hasty. And imagine when the Powertronic will meet VVA and the PS4 engine. What kind of speed I will get on 150cc bike? It depends on my mood, of course. So let's see in the future. For now, ride safe, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.